Where did I come from, Mom?
Can you help Doris' mum answer the question? Reproduction is a vital function of all living things. When living things become mature, they produce new individuals which can replace those that die off due to old age or other reasons. In this way, the species can continue to survive. There are two types of reproduction: asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction, new individuals are formed from a single parent. All the offspring produced are identical to the parent. The offspring contain the same genetic material. The whole process does not involve the production of any sex cells. For example, a bacterium reproduces by dividing itself into two daughter cells. Some plants such as potato and onion can carry out asexual reproduction. They produce buds in the stems or roots. The buds can develop into new plants. Sexual reproduction usually involves two parents. The female parent produces female sex cells called ova, and the male parent produces male sex cells called sperms. During sexual reproduction, an ovum and a sperm join together to form a fertilized ovum, or zygote, which will develop into a new individual. Many living things can carry out both asexual and sexual reproduction, including some plants. However, humans can only reproduce sexually. The human reproductive system is made up of the sex organs, which include testes in males and ovaries in females, sex ducts, and sex glands. These structures are directly involved in the process of reproduction. Men and women have different reproductive systems. Let us now learn about the structures of the male reproductive system. The male reproductive system contains a pair of testes. Each testis lies inside a sac called scrotum. Each testis is connected to the urethra, in the penis, by a sperm duct. Some sex glands are located along the urethra. Let us move on to the functions of different structures. The testis produces sperms and male sex hormones. The sex glands produce a fluid to provide nutrients for the sperms. The fluid and the sperms form the semen. The sperm duct transfers sperms from the testis to the urethra. The urethra passes semen and urine out of the body at different times. The penis transfers semen to the female body during sexual intercourse. Now, let us learn about the structures of the female reproductive system. The female reproductive system contains a pair of ovaries. Each ovary is connected to a muscular bag called uterus through an oviduct. The uterus opens to a muscular tube called the vagina. Let us move on to the functions of different structures. The ovary produces ova and female sex hormones. The oviduct transfers the ovum to the uterus. In a woman, the release of an ovum from the ovary into the oviduct, called ovulation, occurs about once a month. The uterus provides a place for the growth of the embryo until birth. The vagina receives the penis during sexual intercourse. It also serves as a birth canal during the birth of a baby.